Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, we will be making a beef, bean, and pasta casserole. First thing you'll need is 1 onion. Chop that up, then set that over to the side. To our Dutch oven, go ahead and add 1 pound of ground beef, your chopped up onion, then 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now go ahead and brown that ground beef on medium to medium-high heat until nice and browned. Once your ground beef is completed cooking and has been drained, we're going to go ahead and add 1 can of cannellini beans. Now make sure you drain and rinse these beans before adding. Now go ahead and add 1 can of drained petite diced tomatoes. You can add the regular diced if you like. Now go ahead and add 1 can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Once everything has been added, go ahead and stir until well combined. Now that everything is combined, we're going to cook this for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on medium to medium low. Now we're going to go ahead and add our prepared rigatoni noodles. Now when I was measuring my rigatoni noodles, I measured out 3 cups of uncooked noodles. Now once those are cooked, just go ahead and add that to your sauce and give that a really good stir. Now we're going to add 6 ounces of finely shredded Parmesan cheese, y'all. You know I love cheese, and the more the merrier. Now give that a really good toss around until well combined. To my casserole dish, I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. Now go ahead and add your mixture to your casserole dish, then spread it all out until it's nice and even. Now we're going to top it off with some shredded mozzarella cheese. You can add as much or as little cheese as you desire. It is your choice. Now place your casserole in a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 20 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly and brown on top. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics, and if you did, please hit that like button and please do subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.